Hey, I smell a pig under nesting somewhere. Or is it just a car? I know there's food in around here somewhere. I smell elephant ears, but I got distracted by this wonderful cherry red Chevrolet pickup truck. Just take a quick gander inside. Oh my gosh, those seats look so delightfully that I would love to sit in one. Oh, look at what they did there for the shifter. Oh gosh, what is that? That looks like a pure piece of marble or something. Dice Classic. Got all kinds of wonderful stickers, magnets. I think those are all magnets. Couple stickers here in the back window. Ooh, Salem tools. Back in the day, this thing was a workhorse. No, it puts about 20 or more bales on the back end of this sucker to go to your horses or your cows easily. And there's another one of those stickers. Sniff, but do not scratch. Please do not touch. I think that is such a nice way. And check that out. It's Custom Hollywood. Don't know what that is, but if somebody else does, put it down in the comment section down below. Remember, like and subscribe. Until next episode, this is Willis signing off.